Alright, so the seat's out, carpet's been pulled up, and I drilled my hole. Hopefully it's in the right spot. We're going to know in just a minute when we go underneath. So I drilled that out at 1 3/16. No, 1 3/8. So it'll have a grommet on it that I put on. Not exactly the type of grommet I like, but it'll work. Alright, so I kind of marked an X in grease. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of right in the right area. So first thing, let's grab our shifter end. Really hard to do with one hand. Okay. I guess it's on. This will tell us. So I think this has to come out a little more. Oh wait, maybe it is. Alright, so we need this to curve around, come up front here. I haven't figured out where I want it to come out front. But I think I do want the cable to go under the padding. Oh, surprise! Might put a hole in my carpet up here. Thinking right in front of it, maybe. I think I can get that up there. So if I can put a hole up here and stab it through there, that'd be great. Cable's under the carpet. Comes out. And into the shifter. I do have a lock for this one too. Let's put it in. There we go. Obviously I gotta tighten my bolts. I thought I was gonna have to take the shifter out to pull the seat out, but lucky me. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna put it down and we'll try it out. Alright guys, let's see. Let's see if everything works still. Alright, brakes. Woo-hoo. We're shifting. Guess I can mount that now. There it is, our Blazer shifter install is done. For the most part. Shifter's working. Thanks for watching me on this part. So many more parts to do. Getting so close to the end. Alright, I gotta keep moving.